What's up guys, Jake here at Dmax. From today we're going to be going over our monthly update where we keep you guys in the loop on new parts, new trends, and new stuff going on at DmaxStore. Alright, first up we've got a new brand alert, and that's going to be from Underdog Diesel. Hunter, the owner of Underdog, has been really great to work with, and it's been awesome to see all these little trinkets that he's been 3D printing and working on accumulating over the years. So he's got a lot of cool stuff out there, whether that be a filter head delete for those of you guys looking to delete your filter head if you've got lift pumps and all that stuff going on, or an Edge CTS mount. That's going to be on your 2020 and up trucks that keeps it right in the line of sight, but not taking up any of that windshield space, because we know these new windshields, they're a lot smaller than the old ones were. You don't need stuff crowding up that windshield, especially with all these gauges and stuff. An Edge is pretty big. You want to keep it in a nice, perfect spot. Check out the Underdog Diesel mount. Now, another one of my favorite things, and I'm going to be ordering one here pretty soon, is going to be the OptiLube additive mount. So this is a magnetic little holder for OptiLube and a couple other fuel additives that are on the market, and you can just use it as a magnet on the inside of your bed. So whenever you're filling up, you can just reach right inside the bed, grab your additive, and add it to your fuel tank. It's not going to tip over, spill, and get any of that nasty, nasty smell, and especially keeping it out of your cab is a must. Also, if you're local to Underdog Diesel, they're now a DmaxStore dealer, so if you need parts, hit them up. I've added a ton of new products this month, and we've got the updated GM tensioner. So this is going to be for the secondary belt that you guys have running that cooling fan, and the factory one was plastic, and this is the updated GM one that is now going to be metal. We've seen those plastic ones fail over time, but GM does offer the metal one that's going to solve that problem. So if you haven't upgraded yours yet, might be time to check it out and upgrade to the new GM belt tensioner for your 2020 and up Duramax trucks. We've also added a lot of AFE parts to the website. We've expanded our AFE lineup to include a lot of charge pipes, and we also added one of their gauge displays. We haven't gotten our hands on one of these yet, but it looks pretty cool. It's a nice, really sleek design for an added gauge display if you want to monitor a bunch of parameters on your Duramax. We've also added more to our billet tensioners. So we have that billet pulley there that's going to be added onto your tensioner for your 02 to 16 trucks. We've got you guys covered now with the full tensioner assembly. So if you guys want to upgrade yours, go ahead and check that one out at DmaxStore.com. And then a new product that we're super excited about from Kryptonite Products is going to be the Fox steering stabilizer. This thing is awesome. We've been waiting a long time for this. This is your 2014, 2015 up trucks that you can get this to work on. Trucks that did not come with the steering stabilizer from factory. So you don't want any of those tabs on there. Now you can modify your old ones and cut them off and put this new bracket on there, but it's a little bit longer than the factory one, so it's not going to work with the OE tabs. But it does work with the PIS kit, which is super cool. So if you guys are wanting to run that Cognito Pitman Idler support kit, the Fox steering stabilizer, and a bunch of Kryptonite parts, you can definitely do that. So it's going to be an awesome upgrade if you guys want to get the steering of your truck really dialed in correctly. We've also added some ACDelco batteries to the website. We're now stocking the replacement ones, so speaking from experience, I've been running these on my own truck for a while, and they have been solid. It's a great OE replacement at a really good price. Extended some more platform support, so we've added some more parts for the LWN, the 2.8 guys. We did not forget about you. We're adding some EGR and other emissions parts on here, so if you need to get your truck to pass smog, go ahead and check it out at DmaxStore.com. We should have just about everything you need, and if we don't, give us a call, because there's not much parts that we can't get. If you need your truck running right, hit us up at DmaxStore. We've also got the new XD Tubular ECA kit. I have this on my truck as well, and it is awesome. You got the bolt and upper ball joint, greasable poly bushings, and just a heavy-duty tubular design, black powder coated finish as well, so it's going to hold up to the elements. And this is now available for the 2020 and up trucks. It's been long awaited for those. We've been really pushing these for a long time through our R&D department, dialing them in, making sure the geometry is right, making sure the alignments are correct, and making sure everything is just going to be perfect for you guys. So if you want a solid upgraded control arm that's not going to break the bank, check out the DmaxStore XD tubular upper control arms. And as far as transmission upgrades, so SunCoast released a 10-speed valve body and pump upgrade kit. So it's big news for you 10-speed guys. You can now upgrade both of those things, and you can get them on DmaxStore. And transmission mounts for the 2020 and up, these are one-time use for some reason. GM likes to do a lot of that on the 2011 and up platform. All these bolts, these nuts and stuff, they're going to be one-time use. So stay tuned on DmaxStore. We're adding more bolts and parts every single day. So if we're going through service information and seeing that there is a part that does require it to be replaced, we're going to add it to the website. I know CV axle nuts are one of these, and then the transmission mount, everything in there is a one-time use. So if you guys are dropping that transmission cross member, you're going to need to replace that stuff according to GM. Most times you can probably reuse it, but if you do get high mileage years worn out, also a good time to replace. Now, inventory and stock updates. DmaxStore billet filter housings, those have been on back order for a little bit. We got them back in stock. The machine shop finished them up, and they look great. If you guys are looking to upgrade your L5P LM2 or LZO fuel system and get that billet filter housing on there, you're not gonna be stripping out that crappy plastic one anymore. So go ahead and get that one as well. We just got them in, and again, the black anodized with the laser etch finish is awesome. Just makes kind of those filter changes a lot easier. Now we got AC delete kits. So for you guys doing swaps like into a boat like this one, into a square body like we've done, or anything else that's kind of cool race truck stuff, go ahead and check out our AC delete kits back in stock. You're not gonna have to get some crazy serpentine belt. This is gonna basically replace your factory AC compressor with a nice bracket and a nice pulley. So you'll be set to go without having to do any crazy modifications. I'm sure you already have done them, but this makes one thing a little bit simpler. Oh, and don't miss our all new series. We did LB7 versus LBZ first, but we've got a lot more coming to you. As you can see, we've obviously done a little bit of rearranging in the shop. So once we get that kind of dialed in, we'll go ahead and get you guys some new series, maybe LBZ versus L5P. Is the LLY really the best Duramax ever made? I don't know. So we'll go ahead and dive deep into all these and let you guys know. So don't miss that series on our YouTube channel at DmaxStore. Everything that we just mentioned right now is available on DmaxStore.com. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 877-4MY-DMAX. That's 877-469-3629. You can also email us at info@DmaxStore.com or fill out the contact form on our website. All right, and that's it for this month's update. If you're looking for parts, tech tips, or build inspiration, go ahead and hit us up at DmaxStore.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out all of our YouTube channel and social media channels as well. Go ahead and drop a comment if you got any questions for next month's update.